Gurave Namaha. So this is Kartik class number 2, October 21st, 2021. We're continuing discussion of verse 16 from Vilav Kusmanjali. And the main point of this verse is emphasizing service over friendship. Dasirati over Sakirati. Because Radharani has offered Das Goswami in Manjari Sroop. Oh, where's my bag? Yeah. Radharani has offered Tulsi Manjari friendship. She said, you don't have to be my dasi anymore. You can be my friend. You can have all the privileges and intimacy of being my friend like Lalita Vishaka. And Rati Manjari heard that. She said, no, I don't want that. I'm happy being a servant. Your service is Varadasya. It's excellent. It's called Vara. He says Varadasya. I prefer this because this is excellent. I'm perfect like I am. I don't want anything more. So we discussed many points of the verse, and now there's some philosophical points in one lila. And in Rag Bhakti, there's 2 types of Rag Bhakti in Madhurya Rati, and we'll hear about those. This type of Rag Bhakti we're following the gopis, and they're called Kamatmika Bhav. Their whole Atma is full of amorous passion to love and serve Krishna, Kam. That's transcendental. So there's 2 types. There's Bhavichatmika Bhav, and then there's Sambhogachatmika. Bhog means enjoyment, Sam means complete enjoyment, full enjoyment. So Lalita Vishaka, they're completely enjoying with Krishna, Radharani is completely enjoying. So their type of Kamatmika Rag Bhakti, Kamatmika Bhakti, is called Sambhogachatmika. Their itcha, their desire, is to enjoy intimately amorous pastimes of Krishna. And the Manjaris, their bhav is tad bhav ichatmika. Their itcha, their atmika is made of the itcha desire. They want to enjoy the bhav, the feelings of bhav in Radharani's heart. They want to serve that. They don't want to enjoy that. They want to serve that bhav. So one is Sambhogachatmika and the other is Bhavichatmika. So what bhav, what kind of Madhurya bhav, what kind of Parakya bhav is generated when Shringar Ras and Radha and Krishna come together, that the Manjaris will experience and relish. So Srila Natadas Pandit, he's discussing this point in the purport. He says in Kamarup Bhakti, which is Rag Bhakti in erotic mood, amorous love, there is Sambhogachatmika, devotion full of the desire to enjoy with Krishna personally, and Tad Bhavichatmika, Sakhi Bhav. This is Bhakti Rasmita Sindhu. These devotees, like Manjaris, they find more happiness in assisting Krishna's direct lady lovers like Lalita Vishaka, etc. Chandravati. In other words, Manjaris are assisting Radha and Krishna to meet together, and the Sakhis are arranging, they meet themselves with Krishna. The Manjaris are arranging to bring Krishna with the Sakhis, especially Radharani. So the Sthayi Bhav, the permanent loving mood of the Sakhis in this Sambhogachatmika, intrinsic permanent mood, is Krishna Rati. Rati means love. They have love and attachment for Krishna, but then they have another type of Rati, called Surid. Surid means good heart. Riti means heart, but it means friendly. They have friendly mood towards Radharani. Love for a friend like Radharani. So that's the Sanchari Bhav. It's like a wave on the ocean. Ocean is compared to the Sthayi, permanent, unchanging mood. And waves are Sanchari in Hindi and Sanskrit. Chari means to move, and San means complete. Sanchari. Coming and going like waves on the ocean. Sometimes the ocean is is stirred up by big, big waves, and sometimes it's very peaceful. In storm, it's many big waves. So it's a Sunshari Bhav. So they have Krishna Rati, then they have friendly Rati towards Radharani, like Lalita Vishaka, etc. So they love Krishna first, and that love that they have for Krishna is mixed with their love for Radharani. But now we're going to hear this. He continues on the next page. The Sakhis like Lalita Vishaka and Radharani, well, let's say Lalita Vishaka, they get more ecstasy and bliss from arranging for Radha and Krishna to meet together than they get from meeting Krishna themselves. So Vishaka and Lalita Champak Chitra, they meet directly with Krishna and enjoy amorous pastimes with him, Kunja Lila, and they have experienced great bliss and they give great bliss to Krishna. But they experience more bliss when they bring Radha with Krishna, because they know that Krishna likes Radharani most of all. She's the favorite Sakhi. They know that. But they know that Krishna likes variety, because each Sakhi has a particular bhav that she's distinguished by. So, like Madhya Bhav and Prakara Bhav and Dakshin Bhav. So, like Chandravali's Dakshin, she's a submissive lover, and Lalita's Prakara Pragalbhya, which means she's opposing rough and not so submissive. So it's a different type. Radharani's Dira Madhya. She's in the middle. She's not too heavy, not too light. Dira Madhya. So they have these characteristic bhavas which Krishna relishes. That's why the need for so many lovers. There's 360 types of Sakhis that are displaying different types of ratis, explained in Usul and Nilamani. There's 360 different types of Madhurya ratis and bhavas. So Sakhis, and each Sakhi exhibits one of those. So in other words, every day Krishna can relish, there's 360 days in a Vedic New Year, in a Vedic year. So every day you can relish a different bhava, different Sakhi. So it goes on. So the mantris, they never accept the role of being Krishna's lover. The word mantri means flower bud. There's a flower, then there's a bud. The bud's not open. The bud's closed. The bee can't enjoy the bud. There's no nectar there. It's just closed. And then it opens. So the flower is open, the bud is closed. So mantri means a closed flower. It's a bud. So she's on the vine, on the Prem Lata true, Radharani's a Prem Lata true. On the vine, there's leaves, there's buds, and there's flowers. Bud will become a flower, but it's not a flower yet. It's a younger stage of a flower. So the mantris are 12 years old, Radharani's 14. 14 years, 9 months, 7.5 days. She's almost 15, and Krishna almost 16. Krishna's 15 years. What is Krishna? Now Radharani's 14 years, 2 months, 15 days. And Krishna's 15 years, 9 months, 7.5 days. That's exactly the age. This is given in Sadhana Amrita Chandrika by Sri Krishna's Baba. He reveals the ages.